What's up, beautiful people? Hope you guys having a great fantastic day as per usual. So there's not much to say, let's start the day. So today's plans are to go to the gym and then edit probably this video and another video probably for YouTube, and then I'm gonna work on a blueprint for my real estate business. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of create a strategy that's gonna allow it to be really useful and effective for me to continue to do that along with everything else I'm doing. So like I said though, this is how the physique is looking so far. We're looking good, it's gonna get better here soon as well, but like I said, we're gonna keep this day rolling. We're gonna sit down in a minute and chat about, I don't know, life or something, talk about some random stuff. Potentially I'll actually just do something for this other video, but nonetheless, let's get right into it, baby. Okay, y'all, so I'm on this walk, right? And I was just thinking to myself, do you guys remember when it was, I got my ticket for the lonely ride? That song, y'all remember that was popping? Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. I hate Airbnb. Okay, so I'm gonna tell y'all what happened with my Airbnb. That's what we're gonna talk about when we sit down. Ready? Okay, so you guys are like, Gary, what the hell are you talking about, Airbnb? So outside of like YouTube and stuff like that, I run an Airbnb business, which I'm about to slow down, reduce, and go to zero with before I, go back and turn everything up again. So technically speaking, I've been running an illegal Airbnb operation. Illegal because I've been subletting and it's not explicitly stated in my lease. So this apartment I've had for the last 13 months. Lease ends in one more month. It's a 13-month lease that I actually didn't want to get into in the first place, but that's a whole different story. Nonetheless, basically what ended up happening was recently the guest I have currently in there until July 1st. There's been a lot of just some maintenance stuff that she's needed to get done, and so I've been putting in requests and stuff like that, like left and right for the leasing office, and they have not handled that at all. Recently it came to my attention that they found out I was doing Airbnb and they wanted to terminate my lease, which is fine because I wasn't planning to renew the lease at this place anyways. I feel like I can get to a better apartment and things of that nature now. Back then that was the best I could do, which honestly wasn't even that bad considering the position I was in and we were still in a pandemic. But nonetheless, I have a freaking apartment and they found I'm doing Airbnb, which sucks. It's not a big deal because there wasn't anything bad where they're like, oh, you have to pay the rest of your lease right now, blah, 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 blah. Instead, I'm just gonna ride this thing out until the wheels fall off and just go from there. We're about to get ready to go to the gym. Like I said, I'm starting doing like daily vlogs. So you're gonna see a lot of my homies with me. You're gonna probably see a lot of interesting stuff that does happen. You're gonna see some other videos where I'm doing like challenges and stuff like that in there. So y'all stay tuned and love y'all. So my boy Keenan just pulled up. He hasn't seen a tattoo. I haven't told the group chat at all. I'm gonna get his live reaction on the camera. Let's go. Get this live reaction on my boy. All right, bye Asher. Love y'all. What's up, my guy? Let's go is right. All right, let's roll. All good. Vlogging like a bitch. You see what's on my arm?
Oh shit!
Yeah, buddy.
Oh shit!
I want to see your live reaction.
Oh, dude, that's
massive.
fucking cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the scorpion and stuff right here probably today, whenever the ink comes out. What do you think? You see it?
That's sick, dude. That's sick.
I was trying to get your live reaction. This guy Dylan, bro. He said, let's go straight into it. Hell yeah. He doesn't even know what we're doing. Hey Dylan, I had a question.
What's up?
Besides where you were, what do you think about this?
About what?
A new tattoo.
Oh. You got a little arrow. What does it mean?
It's a spear. It's actually my name. If you look up Gary online, that's what it means. My origin, Gary, means spear. Yeah, Mike Kelly. What's the most interesting group to work with?
Bro, like the people 30 and above, I can't really talk to them just because
yeah, there's nothing to talk about.
You know?
Yeah.
And then like the high school kids, I only get along with like a quarter of them. The other ones, they're so cringy. They're so cringy, dude. Like, I like my boy Rob. Rob's cool.
Rob is a cool guy.
Yeah, Rob's cool.
Rob is cool.
And then Ethan, he's a manager. He's 16, so that's actually pretty cool too. He's pretty mature for his age.
Yeah, he got some
But
responsibility
everybody
there.
else, they just be on their phone and they don't talk.
That's lame. That sounds like.
And then there's like, out of everybody that works there, I feel like there's only like one other person that actually goes to college, and it's like my age.
Oh wow.
Mostly everybody else is like mid-20s.
I'm like doing it.
Yeah. And honestly, I don't really get along that much with the mid-20s.
That's a weird. When you guys hear sword fight, what do you think about?
Shut the fuck up, Gary. What are you saying?
I'm talking about metal. Metal sword fight.
Whenever somebody says dick and then says sword fight, what do you think about?
Ancient Japan? What? Michael, I want you to know something. You are greater than you think. Yeah, BBBBB. Watch this transformation. I'm telling you guys. You're gonna see it. I'm trying to do daily vlogs. I think I mentioned that to you guys.
Love brown boy,
So
thanks, bitches.
we're gonna make it happen. If you want to be an official BBB member, we're gonna make some shirts. And we're gonna sell those. It's gonna be Michael's silhouette on it. Buff Michael. What? So you said Demi on Friday?
Yeah.
Bro, what the fuck? What do you think about that, Michael?
I think someone chose the wrong pillow to put for the fucking very fuck.
Somebody got
Word.
Yeah, this classic. Dude, that's literally what Dad said. We gotta tell the fucking inventors to do this fucking coding assignment. I was like, bro, what was crazy is because like I didn't expect them to, or it took them a lot longer than I thought they would have. I'm certainly appreciating the help, but they did coding a long time ago.
Oh,
C++.
okay. So they're going back in the brains.
Dude, David was like super big. He's like, I can't do this right now. And so he left for a while. It was funny.
Okay, so as you guys will find out more, Keenan is actually a comp-sci major.
Yes.
So you're gonna see some more stuff about that. Michael is a philosophy major and Dylan is an education major, and I'm just a major Gary. So we will continue the journey. We're about to go eat at this Asian place. I'm not gonna tell you where, 'cause you guys are weird, but we're gonna eat it. It's what? Vietnamese.
Yes.
We're gonna eat some pho, so I'll keep you guys posted. Woo! I'm gonna show you how to whip this hoe. Yeah, buddy. So alright, see ya. Yet again, Key and I are in the car, and it smells like absolutely what the fuck. It smells like burning rubber. Garbage. Not garbage this time. It's not ass. Camel ass. Speaking of ass, we're next to that one gym. Can't say it on camera, but I bet there's a lot of ass there. I bet there is. Dylan always parks way over from where we are, and it's so fucking weird, man. He's at Wells Fargo, I guess, so it's not so weird. But yeah. I got a new blender bottle.
Dude, nice.
It's a V2 model.
My gosh, every single time.
Hell yeah, what's it called?
I'm literally...
Bro, I'm so hyped for this trip, holy shit.
Bro, honestly...
We have a week? Wait, how many days left? Like 9?
No. It's like actually just a week now. It's Thursday right now? 8 days.
Let's go, baby. Too dark. I know. I'm hoping these girls are hot. Hot enough. That's all I need. That's sweet. Let's go.
Conscious, it generated a shit ton of lip.
I think what really inspired me to want to do vlogs every day, honestly, bro, is the fact that, what's it called? What's his name? Casey Neistat. Jake Paul. Okay, I think Casey Neistat started the whole thing, and then everybody kind of followed that.
I actually talked to Casey.
But like the fact that literally this dude posted a video, I went back in his stats too. He didn't label them all like 800 or whatever, but I'm sure he probably got rid of a lot of them too.
Yeah.
But I was looking at the spacing between like 5 or 6 videos, and they're all like a day and a half long. And I was like, shit, bro, that's real commitment. Like that's tough.
Dude, I also got a
Crypto life.
okay. Dear God.
I sharded.
I sharded. That shit was so funny, bro. And Andy did too, bro. It was only me and him that showed up.
Shardy party.
He became president and vice president.
Upper class. Oh. He was president, I was vice president. But now, I'm vice president of my fraternity.
Oh, I didn't know that, dude.
Big boy. Big boy.
That's actually pretty awesome, dude.
Some slide. some Keenan shit.
VP external, which means I deal with talking to other orgs. We also have a VP internal, which is internal affairs.
And then it's a president. The guy.
He's a kid.
All of his children until Zeus eventually like, breaks out of his gut and kills him. And so Kronos after that was like always used to talk about material time. It's not?
Gaia protected Zeus like as a child. He like hit him. Or she hit him.
That's right. And
Like,
then he
raised him,
and then raised him, and then he kills him. And then when he cuts his own shit, yeah, you're actually right. Nice, Keenan, your knowledge of Greek myths. Yeah, I'm a little rusty, but Gospels, like the gospel narratives, are actually a metaphor for the enlightenment given by psychedelic drugs. And that Jesus was literally a mushroom, and that the stories are like Jesus in the stories are a metaphor for psychedelic mushrooms.
What's his name again?
John P. Allegro. John Allegro. The book is called the Sacred Mushroom and the Cross.
They had to wheel me out in a fucking wheelchair because I couldn't walk.
It's like, Gary, remember that one clip of Paul Pierce where he had his pants and he had to be wheeled out in a wheelchair? Oh. But he didn't want anybody to see it, so he was trying to cover up like this.
Yeah.
And then they forced people to get a wheelchair and like wheel him off so that nobody could see his fucking mouth.
Oh, wait a minute.
Are you fucking serious? That's what they did.
Well, John P. Allegro argues that that's how they interpret it. Yeah.
Whoa.
They're little sons of God. Right? That's where that language comes from for Allegro.
That's funny as hell. So I recorded a TikTok for this brand today. They're paying me some money to do it, so I got my denim out, and you guys are gonna see it. But yeah, so we're continuing that vlog. Obviously, it's the same day. This is what I'm wearing right now. You're gonna see a picture of this on Instagram if you haven't already. We have a young Ken fresh out the streets, rocking some nice street heat. So yeah, y'all gonna see that. But anyways, we're gonna continue this video. Go check my TikTok out, making a video TikTok for y'all. Yeah, that's it.
Oh my gosh, I told you. Oh wait, I forgot I have a job. It's been like
Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. Hope you guys had a good time. See you again in the next one. And till then, I'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Deuces. Oh, also like, comment, subscribe.
Well, I'll be hanging around the arena grounds